Doctor, did you actually do that? Oh god, no, here's comes the water.
Meet my girlfriend Annie. Annie's the most loving and compassionate person I know who deserves the world. But to find out why she's crying, I'm going to take you back a couple weeks to a surprise trip to Madeira, where I had 4 days to achieve the ultimate challenge. So yeah, just landed, straight into it. You can see the weather is beautiful. Yeah, a lot of views to capture. Got the 70-200 straight out, so we're going to be taking a few bangers with this beast. So let's go get them. So this isn't your typical travel video, but in fact a challenge for me to complete the last piece to Annie's new apartment. See, Annie loves all things homeware and interior design, but feels there's something missing in her apartment. More of a gap on the wall. So my goal this trip is to surprise Annie by filling in that gap with a photo from our time in Madeira.
5 minutes later.
What?
Messed up.
Why? What?
Hold on.
Uh-oh, no, what?
So we go back on the 24th.
Yeah.
And I've just paid for the transfer for the hike, and it's on the 24th. Even though I put the 23rd on Saturday, it's put the 24th.
Can we call them?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. On their website, it's very strict. No refunds.
Oh, I hate that. No, but I'm sure if we call them now, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll call them.
Yeah.
She's basically saying that she will try and get us in for the day before. But what happened was, when I booked it for 2 people, and I didn't see that there was only 1 space available for Saturday. So as soon as you try and put 2 people for Saturday, the 23rd, it automatically puts you to the 24th, which is the next day.
Oh,
but I didn't see that when I was booking it. It didn't like come up. It just, yeah, it was there. But in the email it does say 24th. So you may have to do it on the day we leave.
That's not ideal.
No, we have enough time. So our flight is at, 6 or something. This is from like 7 a.m. to 2, and we're meant to leave the hotel at 4 or 3, something like that. But if we do that, there's a very small period, and we missed the checkout, so we probably have to get a late checkout. We'll miss breakfast, and
when we will pack as well. Yeah,
we'll have to pack the night before everything. But yeah, she said she'll message us if someone drops out from the Saturday, so hopefully someone does that and we can. I get dos bolas.
Cono o
See, Portuguese is there. Everyone always gets at me because I come to these nice ice cream places, but I always get vanilla. But you just can't go wrong with vanilla. I like vanilla.
and the Maltesers, please.
I'm really trying to get this before it melts down, but it's so big. There's so much ice cream. I got a brain freeze. Grand Rising. So it is day 2, another beautiful day out here in Madeira. Yeah, so Lizzie kind of got back to us and said no one's cancelled, so it's most likely going to have to be Sunday. It's a bit annoying because it's leaving our little challenge of getting that photo to the very last day. So it's a little bit of a risk, but I guess that's what we're going to have to do. This really is the place to be. It's just that nice. It is literally just that nice. But yeah, we've been on a journey to like the town centre and the city bit for about
2 hours.
2 hours now, literally 2 hours.
And it's only a mile and a half away.
Not even that, not even a mile and a half, and it's taking us that long because we keep stopping, get to one location, we stop again. Walk another, 20-30 meters, we stop again.
Yeah, literally, it's not even far. We walk for 2 minutes,
It's just
stop.
so much, but I don't know if it's the sun, the good views, the nice people, or the smell of the sea, or probably all of the above. But when you're in these kind of places, you just feel so much better. Like, just, I don't know, the vibe is just there. You don't have to try as hard to be happy. It's just nice. It's just nice. You just can't eat without making a mess, can you?
No. And look how liquid it is, though. It's not my fault.
Joe.
I'm so sorry. I was just gonna cross my leg.
I booked the Dolphin watch and whale watch now, so that is all done.
Did you book it for the right day?
Think you're funny? I quadruple checked the date before I booked it.
Never know
and
with you.
after. So yeah, that is for tomorrow afternoon. Still with our fingers crossed that we will be able to go on the hike tomorrow morning. Hopefully someone does cancel and Lizzie messages us. Annie would like a rematch. I'm not sure why, she's gonna lose anyway.
What? You said?
Huh?
I didn't hear what you said.
Either.
I didn't hear what you said. I know it was me. Shoot to serve.
Shoot to serve. Swan just doesn't listen. What is shoot to serve?
Place serve.
What are we shooting?
Place. Says it wrong again. It is worse this way because there's so much light coming in.
That's
No, I'm not saying that.
No, I don't want any excuses at the end, so please be my guest. Be my guest. Oh!
You cheeky bugger, you. I thought you just tried to do.
Yes! Oh!
It touched there. Doesn't count.
Something I'm really enjoying on this trip is just how much slower life is out here. You know, it's just nice to take a break from how fast-paced everything is back home.
Dolphin day.
Them fresh goggles. Yeah, when we go underwater, I'm hoping that I'll actually be able to see something with the underwater housing, if you can even call it that. But yeah, on the way to the Dolphin ride, again, it's about half an hour walk. Same place we went yesterday, but yesterday it took us like 2 hours to get there. And now we have about 30 minutes to get there. So, gotta pick up the pace.
Rocked up to the marina and we saw all of the stands for the different boat companies. And then we saw our boat company and there was nobody there behind the thing. So we asked someone else from another company and was like, hey, like, where's our boat company? Like, where's the people? And they were like perplexed. They were like, And then they tried to find someone for us. And at this point, we then went back and read the email confirmation, which told us we had to be there half an hour prior. We were there, I think, 2 minutes prior. So at this point, we're like, oh no, they have left without us.
Bit of a mess, but we finally found our boat and got there at 3 o'clock.
The boat hadn't left. So we made our way to the boat. Everybody was on the boat already.
Look, they're all waiting for us.
All of them.
All waiting for us.
Oh, it's so awkward.
At least they haven't left.
It's like, sorry guys.
We then realised that we had also messed up again.
As soon as we walked on, everyone was just staring at us. And we were staring back because like, why is everyone in coats?
I don't know if we glamorised it, but we thought we brought all of our camera gear, the case, what's it called? The clear case for the camera to film underwater. I think we thought we were going to be jumping off the boat, swimming with dolphins, watching whales jump out of the sea. I don't know what we thought, but everybody else was in like windbreaker jackets, warm clothes, and we were confused.
I'm remaining in the summer spirit until I'm forced to otherwise.
10 seconds later.
And then we were freezing, basically. We were absolutely freezing. Like, we used our towels that we brought to like dry ourselves off from jumping in and out the ocean as a blanket on our legs because we were so cold.
So after about an hour of shivering and just lying down, cuddling each other like penguins for heat, we realised it's been over an hour now. We still haven't got there. And this whole trip is meant to be 3 hours long. So if it's going to take like an hour and a bit to get there, that means we're actually going to be with the dolphins for like 10 minutes and have to do the same thing to come back.
And then eventually we stopped. So everyone all of a sudden gets up. We're all like, okay, cool, it's happening now. I think we thought they were going to throw out bait or something. And like, I thought there was going to be a show, like a dolphin show. I don't know why. I thought they were going to be jumping, making like little dolphin noises. That was far from the reality.
After travelling for about an hour and 20 minutes, freezing, having to use a blanket on the front of the boat to warm us up, looking like idiots coming in super late, just to see 7 fins of dolphins, it was a bit like...
And we were there for, I think, a maximum of 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So we had paid money to go on this boat, freeze, not get off the boat ever. There was no jumping in and out the ocean. We were just cold.
Right there.
Have I got 2 large scoops of ice cream every day we've been here? Yes. Do I feel bad? Absolutely not. How is it?
Fantastic. No regrets.
No regrets at all. Tastes amazing. I've got a message from Lizzie. We're going to be picked up between 6 and 6:05 in a blue VW minivan. Blah, 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 schedule. The temperature during your hike is most likely to be between 0 and 3 degrees Celsius. I came here for sun. Please remember to bring a face mask and please believe the temperature. Some people don't and they regret it.
Oh my God.
I am those people. The mountains are the opposite to Funchal, where we are now, where it's nice and warm. There is also a possibility of light drizzle during the hike.
Do you have a coat?
I have no coat.
Pico do Arieiro has an altitude of 1,818 meters.
I haven't used the mask to keep warm. And what's crazy is we're all standing here, like literally there's loads of people here, just chilling, waiting for this sunrise, but there won't be a sunrise. It's just clouds. Like, there's nothing gonna come through. I don't understand.
Yeah, but we're waiting too.
I know exactly. Because
I don't know why.
We can't not wait because like if we don't wait,
Here.
look at everyone just chilling. Right. I thought if we start walking and start this pointless hike, we're gonna miss the sunrise, even though there's clearly not gonna be a sunrise. But I can't not wait now.
No, but the sunrise is going to be at this point.
Yeah, I know.
And then the rest is just going to be
Coldness.
cold vibes.
Ugh. And that's it. That's the sunrise. I think because we've been walking downhill so much, my calves are burning to a point now where I'm literally just a human vibrator.
It's just shaking.
Like, I can't stop. But it's starting to clear up. Things are looking better. But yeah, no sun at all. It's just still really cloudy. Yo. Oh my goodness, I need lights.
Why are you see?
Lights.
So look at that, Jordan. You're so ridiculous.
We need lights.
We need your big light. I'll go first. Be careful with your feet. Not the puddle.
Hold on, I need to get my light as well, because this is like, I can't see.
You just carry both.
Wait, can you walk down? I want to get a picture. I think it's cool. This isn't just a picture of the side of a mountain, but an illustration showing the scale of the mountains. Like, look how tiny these people are. Just doesn't stop. At this point, I'm ready to call it a day.
How do we get a helicopter out? How?
There's something special about this place being completely natural. The combination of the jagged peaks slicing through the clouds and the humbling size of them towering over us simply takes my breath away. It may be because I'm so used to the city life, but seeing somewhere that essentially is untouched by man and unapologetically itself is truly incredible.
It was like nothing I've ever seen before. I feel like you see so many like pictures online of like all these different like landscapes and cool places, but to actually be there and see it and experience it for yourself was amazing.
A week after Madeira, Annie, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling sad to be home, but also very appreciative of the trip. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. 4 days wasn't long enough, I think. I think
Yeah.
6 days would have been good, just to see everything. But yeah.
So, while we're out there, I actually have a secret mission.
Okay. Well, you didn't tell me,
I didn't tell you.
but we don't have secrets.
Yeah, well, this is.
Did you actually? Is this real?
Yeah, the secret mission.
What? You were with me the whole time.
Yeah, I know. I mean, these guys already know. They've already seen.
Are you joking?
No, dead
Say
serious.
Bible.
Bible.
No.
I had a secret
Say
mission.
me and you Bible.
Yeah, a secret mission.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if it was accomplished or not, but we'll see.
Okay. Wait, am I seeing the mission now?
Yeah, you're seeing the end result.
Okay. Where is it? What, this box?
This box.
You didn't bring this home. So what?
I look massive compared to you right now. Annie, open the box.
I'm so confused.
Open the box.
Is it a photo?
I don't know what it is. I haven't been here.
You haven't been here. My gable dropper. I'm like so nervous. Oh, wait. Wait, is this for my house? Is this for my house? Don't, 'cause I'll cry. Stop. Did you actually? Oh my god, me and you waited it. Stop, Jordan, did you actually do that? Oh my god, no, here's comes the waterworks. Jordan, did you actually? Oh my god, I love it. Oh my gosh, look what it says. Wait, let me look at it. Oh my gosh, stop. That's literally crazy. Oh my god, what it should have been. Jordan, I love it. Don't stop.
It is a bit wonky though, isn't it? A what?
Bum cleaner.
A bum cleaner.
Laboo? Laboo?
A what?
A laboo.
A what?
No,